So here we are at the Rainforest Lodge. I just came up the steps to our room here. We have a nice room, so you can look out over the jungle here. It's really something. And you walk through the door. There's a small area to the left here with the safe and different things in it. And then you have a very high ceiling with beams. It's beautiful. Fans going. Really cool chairs. You turn to the right, and here's the bathroom. And you see it's a real nice high ceilings. But what Nori likes about it is the shower, which is huge and completely open, and not only open this way but open to the outside just like that. And it has a planter inside the shower. It's really cool. There's the toilet back here. Oh boy, something's singing out there. Really amazing. I love the ceiling. Something else. Really beautiful floors. Hardwood floors. You come around here, you got this gorgeous bed with the insect cover. All open, circular. And you walk out the amazing doors here. Really something. Big banana trees, this huge tree right beside the... Here's Nori sitting out here on the deck just enjoying herself.
No, I'm not. I'm looking for your tour. The night hike is 30.
Really nice. Not bad at all. There you go.